Next up is Jimmy Nelson. He and I, and Angie actually, all went to the same school if you're familiar with Turing. I know there's at least one person in the crowd also from Turing. It's a cool place to go to school to learn coding. Coming up, configurable list. Editable related list. All right.
So people love related lists. They love developing things to solve the related list. I'm one of them. So yeah, I'm a Salesforce architect for Solemn, and then in my free time, I like to develop tools for my own dev org that I need for my own personal use. So this one is a recipe ingredient shopping list creator. And that's not exactly what I'm sharing with you. It's just I backed myself into a corner on it, and another tool that I had previously created, Configurable List, is going to get me out of the jam. So this shopping list created all of these related ingredients, and you know, as is the case with a lot of related lists, the parent record is the one that is really doing the work, and the child records contain a lot of small pieces of information that we need to sometimes edit very quickly, and the standard related list doesn't do a great job of that. So what we need to do is add the configurable list to our page. And I forgot my sheet with all of my yeah, I was trying to do that. Okay. There we go. That's a little bit better. You know, you win some, you lose some. The page is now very small, but the configuration elements are large. So we'll add the configurable list here. And so it's configurable. You can give it any sort of name you want. So edit ingredients, and then, I don't know if that one's gonna work or not, but it doesn't really matter. Child relationship name. So these are all data points that we have available based on the relationship that we created when we made the related list. So with some of this information, we can fill in, let's see, this is a shopping list ingredient. And you know, like everyone, you've got to use the API names. See if I can remember all of these. Don't need the record type for this use case. And what I'm doing here is I'm just providing all the columns that I'm going to need in order to go through and edit all of these ingredients very quickly. Quantity and measurement. I think that's all I need. Oh, and then I've got some bonus things that you can do to you know, link records if you want. Oh no, it's not shopping list. It's ingredient. So I want to be able to link to the actual ingredient since this is a junction object. And we'll click save. So now I've just added this related list so that I can go in and mass edit all of these records. Not mass edit, but very quickly edit. So it's I'm going to be able to tab through, and so you can see all of these related records that already exist. And as I come down here, oh, it's zoomed in so much that we've lost. There we go. It is dynamic, so you can use it on your phone, because I use it on my phone. And we can organize this alphabetically like we saw above. Say I actually need 3. So I accumulated these ingredients from the recipes that I added, but maybe I need more arugula for whatever reason. I really like avocados. And all this is just saving dynamically as I make these edits. And so maybe it's 5 cups of basil. We got weird recipes. And all that's saved. So if I just refresh this page, we should see some updates come through. Just do it. Refresh. Right, there you go. 78 avocados, 5 cups of basil. So I got myself out of this jam because I coded myself into a corner on this item, but then used this cool tool that you can add to any page to tab through and make quick updates to your related records. So thanks.